Hi lovelies, welcome back to another Watch Me Work video. Today we are doing our first Christmas nail art tutorial for this season, and I am applying my second coat of primer. I did go ahead and prep and prime and all of that good stuff, and I'm going in on top of my client's nails with my thin layer of clear acrylic. You guys already know that I love this step. It actually assists when my client comes back for an infill like now, and we have to remove the entire design because we are doing a glitter ombre full set. So my client wanted black nails, and by the way, this is also a birthday set. So we decided to do a black sparkly design with this gorgeous glitter mix that I just mixed up. And I don't even know what to call this. It reminds me of Christmas lights in the nighttime. So maybe we'll just stick with that. Christmas lights or Christmas nights. Tell me which one you guys prefer in the comment section below. And I'm just going to be applying this to the tip of 3 nails on each hand, making sure there are no harsh lines between the glitter and her nail bed, because we do have to come in and create our ombre with our nude acrylic powder. And I'm also keeping the glitters really nice and thin because I do have to encapsulate in order to protect it. Now, I did pre-mix this mix with my Tones Glass acrylic powder, and I really wanted this glitter mix to be really transparent. However, this acrylic powder is very slow setting, so it gives me enough time to work with it. And then sometimes I forget that I actually mixed it with the tones instead of with my Mia Secret. So when I move my brush, I'm actually pulling the glitter away from where I actually want it. So it just took me like about 2 nails to get accustomed to the consistency of the Tones Glass mixed in with my glitter, because I usually don't do that. So on her ring finger and her index finger on this hand, I'm going to coat the entire nail with our glitter mix. And for this application, I am using my Alpha number 10 Oval Kolinsky brush. And as far as I remember, I have mostly ever used my number 10. I sometimes switch it up and use my number 12, but I prefer to stick with the number 10, and I've been using Alpha brush for some years now, honestly. And for those of you who do not know, I am an Alpha brush ambassador, and I enjoy recommending these brushes to you because they are one of the top qualities that I've ever worked with. And I have had this particular number 10 brush for over a year now, and I'm not exaggerating. I'm not going to stand by a product that I don't use on a daily basis or that I don't like, and I always try to give you guys the best for the best price. And Alpha has been consistently producing quality brushes for the years that I've been using them, and I'm actually happy to stand by this brand. No, I'm not getting paid to promote these brushes, but Alpha has been kind enough to include a coupon code so you guys can go ahead and save yourself some extra money. Hey, which I really do love. So check out the link in my description box below, always down there, as well as my coupon code, so you can enter that coupon code at checkout if it is that you're interested in purchasing these brushes. Now it's on to the next hand, and I'm going to allow this hand to set, and trust me, the camera is not doing this glitter mix any justice. It is so gorgeous. The only thing that I'm doing different on this hand is I'm going to coat the entire pinky finger and middle finger with the glitter mix. Yes, I know somebody's going to ask what happened to the thumb on this hand. Yeah, it was out of frame, but I did do the ombre. So now I'm going in with my favorite mixture of my Young Nails Peach and Young Nails Pink acrylic powder. And I'm going to use this as my cuticle bead, as well as pull it up into the glitters to create that fade. Now this is a black glitter mix, and that is why I stressed on not having any harsh lines, because you are going to see it. So because that glitter is nicely faded to the cuticle area direction, it does look really nice underneath. So I went in immediately on top of that glitter, and I'm going to use my clear acrylic powder to encapsulate. Now I did not encapsulate my cuticle area. I just protected my fade and protected that glitter. Because this pink is a core powder, I don't need to use any clear on top of it, unless I use it like really, really thin, which I did not. I had to make sure that it would cover the glitter and create a very nice transition. So I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate the entire glitter nails as well. I just went in and repeated the exact same thing on her opposite hand. While I was doing my editing, I realized that the application on the thumb was thebomb.com. So I did go ahead and leave it in real time so you guys can see what I am doing. As you saw, I placed a bead of my nude acrylic powder right where that glitter fade ended, and I gently stroked it with the tip of my brush. I didn't use the body of my brush because I'm not pulling it to create strength or anything. I'm using the tip of my brush to give me that nice feathered look. If I feel like that transition needs to be a little more spot on, I'm just going in with nice wet beads of that nude acrylic and making sure that it is what I want it to be. Removing any product if I get any on the side walls or cuticle area, and just using my brush to seal those areas in as well. So you guys know that I don't hide any mistakes from you all. So this bead that I'm about to place was a little too dry because I was talking to my client while placing my bead. So I did go ahead and remove it, because if I were to try to make an ombre out of this, y'all, it would have been a hot mess. So there's nothing wrong with mistakes when laying your acrylic. Just move quick, remove it and apply again. So what I did, so that you don't see the dents and indentations in the previous bead that I removed, I did go in with a wetter bead of my nude acrylic, and I just continued as normal to fade that nude into the black. So here is what the nails look like so far. I'm very amazed with, look at that color and that black, guys, and she was loving it. She was loving it. So I did go in off camera. I filed, shaped and buffed, and I'm just going to add some snowflake stamp on those full glitter nails. So on each nail we're going to be applying 2 snowflakes, and this stamping plate is from Beauty Big Bang, and I will try to link it in the description box below if I can find it. So I did get a little extra image on the tip of this nail, so I just took the same piece of cotton that I was cleaning off my plate with, went in with some acetone and just gently remove that. Now if the cotton is really wet, it will not leave any strips behind, but if it's dry, it's going to cause that nail to pull on the cotton strands and you are going to have lint in your gel top coat. So I'm just going to continue with the snowflakes, and all I had to do with this set now is apply my IBD Intense Seal. She did not want them matte, even though I found that they looked so stunning matte. But hey, it was not my birthday and it's not my nails, and she did end up loving it in the end. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and while you're there, click on the bell as well and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat when I upload next. Of course, I will have a clip and some pictures at the end of the video with the final result to share with you guys. Look at how that top coat just brings that glitter to life. Oh my gosh, it was so stunning. Oh my god, you guys would not believe, I just threw a whole bunch of black glitters together and I'm really loving the outcome of this mix. Like, it has become one of my favorite black glitter mixes, no lie. If you enjoyed how these turned out, go ahead and leave me a Christmas tree emoji with your comments in the comment section below. When I was finished with my top coat, I did go ahead and cure in the light for 60 seconds, allow that top coat to cool, and all I had to do was apply my cuticle oil, and that was it for this set. So that is it for me. I would leave you guys to watch till the end to see the final result. No, do not fast forward this video. It is almost there. You can wait like a couple seconds again. I want to say thank you to each and every one of my beautiful, lovely subscribers for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. You guys, it really does mean a lot to me and I appreciate it, and I love talking to you guys in the comment section below. So that is it. I am out. As always, I would love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.